Hey everyone, today we are making chocolate chip pecan cookies. Here's an overview of the ingredients we will be using, so make sure you check the description box for specific measurements and details. We are going to start by prepping our dry ingredients. Measure or weigh 2 cups of flour and pour into a bowl. Now add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. Give everything a quick stir to make sure it gets evenly mixed. Alright, now I have another bowl which I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, it can be light or dark brown sugar, and a half a cup of regular granule sugar. Use a whisk to mix the sugars together and break apart any lumps. Now for our wet or liquid ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have some room temperature brown butter that I'm going to add to our sugar and thoroughly mix in. If you don't know how to brown butter, I will leave a video linked above, or you can use regular melted butter. Crack 2 eggs into your batter and whisk just until they're incorporated. I forgot to put the vanilla in the ingredient pick, but we are going to add in 1 tablespoon into the wet batter and mix it all together. Alright, add half of your dry flour mix into the wet batter and mix just until it's incorporated. Now add the last half of your flour with your desired toppings, and this time we are going to fold it into the mix just until the flour starts to disappear. And for my toppings, I'm using, of course, chocolate chips and some chopped pecans. It is very important not to overmix your batter, so make sure you do it lightly and just until the ingredients are incorporated with each other. Now this recipe is an incredible base to use for any type of cookie, so feel free to play with it and make it uniquely yours. To set my bakery brand apart from others, there are an additional 2 ingredients that I use to make my cookies unique. Alright, our batter is a little loose, so I'm going to use some saran wrap to cover the bowl and place it inside the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Our batter is now chilled, so now it's time to scoop out some. I'm using technically an ice cream scoop, which is about 2 or 3 ounces. Feel free to make them as big or small as you like. Here's how the scooped cookie dough looks. In one batch, I can make about 12 to 13 cookies. Now I'm going to go back through and place a pecan on top of all the cookies. Here's how the cookies look once baked and cooled. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for next week's video.